Philippines is preparing for a remarkable transformation with its diverse landscape, rich culture, and welcoming communities. The province is set to become a prime destination for motorcycle tourism, offering adventure.
Dahil long weekend nga, ay naisipan kong bumiyahe sa aming probinsya, sa probinsya ng Occidental Mindoro. Bago ako bumiyahe, ay chinik ko muna ang aking gulong at naggas na rin ako dito para diretso-diretso ang aking biyahe patungong Batangas Pier.
Left onto Calaca, Lemery Highway, Illustre Avenue.
Yari Paps. Yari dyan. Biyahe mo. Saan biyahe mo? Oo. Muna. Ha? Wala, solo rides.
Solo rides.
Papunta ng ano? Mindoro.
Mindoro? Kayo. Gano'ng katagal ang naabot niya yan sa biyahe?
Sige Paps. Ingat.
Ride safe.
Thank you. Ride safe din. Ako na pinto nga dito sa palabas na ng Lemery, Batangas, kaya kala ko na siraan ang kapwa motorista natin. Kala ko anong nangyari. At ayun na nga, ay nag-check lang daw siya ng gulong. Mayroon lang siyang binili. Kabiyahin na ako ulit mga lods. Madadaan dito ay Lipa, Batangas na. Tapos sunod na nun ay ano na ng Batangas Pier. Port of Batangas. Ayan, Port of Batangas na tayo. Tayo pipila kasi pila ng mga sasakyan yung mga sinapilahan natin. Biyahe nyo boss? Saan biyahe nyo? Kalapan. Sa ano, pero ikot kami ba 18 yata, ikot kami ng ano, Kalapan din. Pero abra ngayon, mag-aabra ako. Kita-kits na lang tayo sa ano, Kalapan. Sa 65 yan, 65 mga roads terminal ticket dito sa Batangas Port. Kalapan, Abra de Ilog, Katitlan, Romblon. Yan yung mga ano, Cebu. Yan yung mga barko dito mga lods na pwede yung destination na pupuntahan ng barko. Yung ticket. Dahil ang binayaran natin ito ay 65. Thank you. Mga lakad, sabi nga tayo. Ako tayo ng terminal. Original. Abra kuya.
Abra?
Oh, Montenegro sana.
Ha?
Montenegro.
Yan, matulog yan. Tila na yan.
Anong number? Number 3?
Number 3 po.
Ah, sige po. Thank you. Ano tayo? Number 3. Ay mga lods, ang sakyan nating barko ay Montenegro. Nakuha na tayo ng ticket. Bali ang binayaran nating ticket ng sa barko mga lods ay 1,150. Na-check na nga ang aming ticket, kaya papasok na kami ng barko mga lods. Kaya mga lods, sasakyan namin na barko Santa Soledad. Ito po yung pang alas 3 na barko dito sa Batangas Pier going to Abra Pier mga lods. Kaya mga lods, mga naging kasabayan natin, mga malaking motor 400cc. Mga lods, palabas na tayo ng barko. Ayan mga lods, ganito kaganda ng tanawin. Palabas ka pa lang ng barko mga lods, masisilayang mo na ang ganda ng tanawin dito sa Occidental Mindoro, dito sa Abra Pier mga lods. Ganito kaluang ang Abra Pier mga lods sa amin. Ayan. Dati mga lods ay makitid lang yung na to, itong pier na to. Ngayon ay sobrang luang na mga lods. Ayan, paano na kami mga lods, kalabas na kami ng port ng Abra de Ilog. Papalabas pa lang ng port ng Abra de Ilog, makikita mo na ang mga nagtataasang mga bundok dito sa Abra Pier. Ayan mga lods, ang ganda ng tanawin. Ayan, Port of Abra de Ilog.
A few minutes travel from the poblacion and you will reach this astounding scenery of Agbalala Falls. It is located at Barangay Wawa, Abra de Ilog, Occidental Mindoro. It rises to a height of 115 feet to a depth of 11 feet. It is a perfect place for summer. Its ice-cold water will surely refresh you and will make you feel like it's winter during summer. With just 150 pesos entrance fee including the EUF for non-resident, you'll be able to experience and enjoy it for the rest of the day.
Wow! Nakaka-relax ang view mga lods, nakaka-relax dito sa aming probinsya, sa Occidental Mindoro. Kayo pang iniintay nyo mga kapwa ko motorista dyan. Pag Mindoro loop na kayo, talagang mas susulit ninyo ang inyong biyahe pag dito kayo pumunta sa aming probinsya ng Occidental Mindoro.
Tayamaan Beach, located just northwest of Mamburao. It is a coconut tree-lined white sand beach, 1 hectare long, one of the famous beach resorts in Mamburao. Very affordable rates and easily accessible. The beach is ideal for swimming and is frequented by local residents and a few foreign tourists. The cove is perfect for snorkeling and diving, a paradise yet to be discovered. It has picnic cottages lined along the beach that can be rented.
Maganda ang aming probinsya sa Occidental Mindoro mga lods. Ang ganda ng view, nakaka-relax. Pag talaga kayo dito mga lods, nakapunta kayo dito sa aming probinsya, mga kapwa ko motorista dyan na mahilig mag long ride, ito mga lods ang puntahan nyo, ang Occidental Mindoro. Talagang may enjoy nyo ang bawat view, yung mga patakbo dito sa aming probinsya. Ang ganda ng tanawin, ganda ng mga palayan dito sa Abra de Ilog mga lods. Ayan, ganda ng tanawin mga lods, nakaka-amazing ang view.
Destination. Let me show you. Calawagan Mountain Resort, a place that exemplifies the many amazing sights this land has to offer. It is located in the vicinity of the town of Paloan, Occidental Mindoro. The Calawagan Mountain Resort features several waterfalls. It is the perfect spot for anyone wishing for a truly unique outdoor adventure. The next destination, welcome to Carindan Lake, a freshwater lake in Santa Cruz, Occidental Mindoro, a hidden gem surrounded by rustic beauty, a serene and picturesque lake that is not to be missed. This tranquil body of water is surrounded by captivating semi-rusty red mountains that rise up from the earth, creating a breathtakingly beautiful backdrop. The lake's proximity to the main road making it a must-visit destination for anyone traveling through the area. Hopping to the next one. This is the
mga barangay ninyo na taga Occidental Mindoro. Ganito na po kaluwang ang daan po dito sa Mamburao. Dati mga lods ay sobrang kitid lang nitong mga daan na to. Ngayon sobrang luang na. Kasi dito ako nag-aaral mga lods ng college dito sa ng Mamburao.
Agusan sa Bakawan, here in Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro. This hidden gem is a tranquil lagoon surrounded by lush greenery mangrove ecosystem. The boardwalk winds its way through the mangroves, providing stunning views of the mangrove trees and wildlife that lives among them. Visitors can also learn about the importance of mangroves in the local ecosystem and how they play a vital role in protecting the coast from erosion and storm damage.
Mga lods, ito pala yung tulay ng Sumil. Shoutout po sa mga taga Sumil. Shoutout po. Dati ito mga lods ay makitid lang ang daan, tulay. Ngayon maluang na mga lods dito sa Sumil. Yan, shoutout po sa mga taga Sumil. Yan, shoutout po sa mga followers, viewers natin dito sa Sumil. Yan, shoutout po. Naabot na tayo mga lods ng sikat ng araw, tanghali na. Nakarating tayo ng Mindoro, pero umalis tayo ng Manila mga lods ay gabi ng alas 7 yata ng gabi yun. Umalis ako ng Manila mga lods, kararating lang dito sa Mindoro.
On the lake, let's go a bit higher, taking you to Parola, also known as Pressing Park in Sablayan, Occidental Mindoro, named after the wife of former Mayor Loreto Urrieta. This mountain park was served as the setting of a historic watchtower and cannon that is built in 1861 against the Muslim pirates and intruders who used to raid the area. Today, a lighthouse and an old cannon can still be found here. This park offers the best sunset view in town. And also the main attraction here is the longest island-to-island zip line in Asia. Enjoy other activities like rappelling, wall climbing, and so much more. Gem of Bato Tabao. Tucked away in the town of Calintaan, Bato Tabao is a small but strikingly karst limestone outcrop located in Barangay Concepcion. This natural wonder is easily visible from the beach areas of Barangay Concepcion, making it a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the region. Batu Tabao is a mesmerizing rock formation and is a marine sanctuary. Its unique limestone formations enrich biodiversity, waiting to be discovered by those who venture off the beaten path, and it's 1 kilometer away from the beach of Concepcion. Calintaan is accessible via boat ride. If you love mountain views, this next one will definitely This is Mount Zion, the so-called Chocolate Hills of Mindoro, located in the town of Rizal, known for its scenic views. It is a popular destination for hikers and nature enthusiasts who want to experience the nature. Several hiking trails lead to the summit of Mount Zion. For this next one, let me show you the mystic of Batuili, a galvanizing experience at the rock formation at Sitio Batuili. Batuili Bridge, located at Sitio Batuili, Barangay Monteclaro, San Jose, is the perfect place to witness an astonishing rock formation. The perfect spot of the bridge at the bottom of the rock became a remarkable place in the pictures of the tourists. Its alluring look that could be seen while crossing the bridge adds to the jaw-dropping experience. The green foliage that covers it proves the healthy environment of the place. And just within the vicinity, nestled the rolling hills of Sitio Batuili, Mangyan community, home of the Buhid tribe, aptly named mountain dwellers. This community is predominantly inhabited by members of this indigenous group who have lived in harmony with the land for centuries, enriching their handcraft making, preserving their culture for generations to come, captivating culture and unique handcrafts, one that is deeply rooted in the history and spirit of this enchanting mountainous region. And this one is the Devil's Mountain. With its unique shape, people say the peak looks like horn while observing from afar. The rugged point rocks formation resembles the flames of the hell, the reason why it was named by the Americans during the colonial period the Devil's Mountain. And for the next one, let me take you to Kanwali Gateway Farm, a 10-hectare farm offering an agritourism experience. This farm practices eco-friendly farming methods, using natural and organic techniques to grow crops like coffee, cocoa, and mangoes. Visitors can participate in farm tours, farm-to-table dining, and hands-on farming experiences. Unique feature farm-to-table dining and accommodations are available in the form of guest houses and villas. Want to see something refreshing? This is Magtangkob River, a 10-kilometer long river in Occidental Mindoro, known for its natural beauty and outdoor activities. This river offers various activities such as river cruises, swimming, fishing, kayaking, and water tubing. Visitors can also enjoy scenic views of towering cliffs, lush forest, and rice fields. Welcome to Lubang Island, offering a variety of tourist spots, including several beaches, farms, and a number of designated area for marine conservation and ecotourism. Lubang Island is a known spot as the hiding place of Hiroo Onoda, a Japanese World War II straggler who lived on the island after the war. Let me show you Tubahin Beach and Rock Formation, a popular destination in Loo, Occidental Mindoro, known for its stunning rock formation, white sandy beaches, and crystal clear waters. This beach offers activities such as swimming, snorkeling, and rock climbing, and of course, photography opportunity that signifies unity, cooperation, and helping each other. The Arawatan Festival features a variety of activities, including cultural presentations, pageants, street dancing, and so much more. And there you have it. These are just some of the reasons why you should visit Occidental Mindoro. Experience the best of nature. Experience Oximin.